Master the names of amazing animals and birds starting with letter S in this video. Let's get started. Squirrel. Squirrel. Swan. Swan. Seahorse. Seahorse. Seal. Seal. Skunk. Skunk. Snail. Snail. Sea otter. Sea otter. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Serval. Serval. Sheep. Sheep. Shark. Shark. Snow leopard. Snow leopard. Seal lion. Seal lion. Sloth. Sloth. Snowy owl. Snowy owl. Starfish. Starfish. Sparrow. Sparrow. Silver fox. Silver fox. Scarlet macaw. Scarlet macaw. Stingray. Stingray. Salamander. Salamander. Sloth bear. Sloth bear. Sea slug. Sea slug. Saddle-billed stork. Saddle-billed stork. Siberian tiger. Siberian tiger. Sockeye salmon. Sockeye salmon. Striped hyena. Striped hyena. Cicadere. Cicadere. Silverback gorilla. Silverback gorilla. Springbok. Springbok. Sandhill crane. Sandhill crane. Snapping turtle. Snapping turtle. Snake. Snake. Southern masked weaver. Southern masked weaver. Stellar sea eagle. Stellar sea eagle. Sable. Sable. Secretary bird. Secretary bird. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, InfoZillion.